everyone. So for this problem, you guys are given a seemingly infinite amount of numbers. So that's what these periods mean. The first thing to solve this type of problem is to make sure you know what it's asking for. So for example, in this problem, it's asking for what's 1,000 minus 900 plus 998 minus 997 plus 986 minus 995, so on until 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Now, of course, you could, spend 2 or 3 hours actually doing the equation. But in these type of problems, there are almost always shortcuts. So the first thing you have to notice is find a pattern. Now, of course, in this problem, it's pretty obvious. The pattern is just descending numbers starting from 1,000. Now, all you have to do is group these numbers together. Because there are minus and plus signs, they're bound to cancel each other out. So in this case, 1,999 can be grouped together, 998, 997, and so on until you get 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if we rewrite this equation, 1,000 minus 999 is equal to 1, right? And then 998 minus 997 is also equal to 1, and so on, plus however many ones or however many pairs you have will always equal to 1. And then you have 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and then 2 minus 1 is also equal to 1. Now this is a very crucial step in order to solve this problem. You want to see that there are a certain amount of ones until you get 2 to 1. Now this is half of the problem, okay? Now the other half is to find out how many ones there are. Okay, so in order to do this, you have to kind of look at the problem, okay? Look closely. So 1,000 to 1, or from 1 to 1,000, you have 1,000 numbers. If you subtract, for every pair that you subtract, there are 2 numbers. 1,999 is 2 numbers. So every 2 numbers, you get 1 1. Every 2 numbers, you add 1 1, and so on. So we want to find how many pairs of numbers there are from 1 to 1,000. So you know that you have 1,000 numbers, right? And a pair has 2 numbers. So you have to divide that by 2. So from 1 to 1,000, you have 500 pairs of numbers. Because each pair of numbers you get 1, all you have to do is multiply 500 by 1, and you get 500. So the answer to this problem is essentially 500.